In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bevel to your 3D objects in Blender for that perfectly polished look. Whether you're looking to smooth out an edge or add some artistic flair to your model, beveling is an essential skill in 3D modeling. So let's dive in and get started on sharpening those skills. First things first, you want to start by preparing your object. This step is all about ensuring that your work is primed for precision. Begin by selecting your object while you're in object mode. It's important to press Ctrl+A and select Scale to apply the object's current scale setting. This step is crucial because it standardizes the scale across your object, making sure that when we apply the bevel later on, it appears consistent in size and shape. Trust me, this little tip will save you from a lot of headaches down the road. Once you've got your object all set up, it's time to move into edit mode. This is where the magic really happens. Press the Tab key on your keyboard to switch into edit mode. Here you'll want to change to Edge Select mode, which you can do easily by pressing the number 2 on your keyboard. Now here's where your eye for detail comes into play. Select the edges you want to bevel. You can choose multiple edges at the same time, and all you have to do is hold down the Shift key while clicking away. This gives you the flexibility to create both subtle and dramatic effects on your 3D object. Now let's get into the heart of the process, beveling those edges. For this, you'll rely on a handy hotkey. Simply press Ctrl+B and you'll see a yellow line appear on the edges you're working on. This indicates the starting point of your bevel. Here's a tip. Your mouse is your best friend when adjusting the width of the bevel. Just drag it to get the desired thickness. And if you want smoother turns, don't forget you can create more segments by scrolling your mouse wheel up. This adds to the refinement and smoothness of the bevel. You have complete control over how sharp or rounded the edges should look, so feel free to experiment a bit until you get it just right. Finally, once you're satisfied with how it looks, all that's left is to confirm the bevel. A simple left click will do the trick. This concludes the process, leaving you with beautifully beveled edges that can significantly elevate the final appearance of your 3D model. I hope you found this guide clear and comprehensive. Follow along, give it a try, and see how these steps can transform your design with just a few clicks. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and happy modeling!